Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to request time off using the UKG Pro app. First, open the UKG Pro app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in with your employee account. Once you are on the home screen, look for the option called Time Off. Tap on Time Off to open the Time Off section. This area shows your current balances and any previous requests. Next, to create a new request, look for the button that says Request Time Off or New Request. Tap on this option to begin. The app will now take you to a screen where you can choose the dates for your time away. Use the calendar to select the start date. Then select the end date. If you are requesting only one day, choose the same date for both the start and end. Double-check that the dates are correct before moving forward. After selecting the dates, choose the type of time off. You will see a list of pay codes such as PTO, sick, or vacation. Tap on the correct pay code that matches your request. Now, specify the duration of your time off. If you are taking a full day, select the full day option. If you are taking only part of a day, choose partial day. When selecting partial day, enter the correct start time and end time. Finally, review all the details on your request. When everything looks correct, tap Submit to send your request for approval. Thanks for watching.